And in this video, we're gonna look at some of the best examples of cannabis branding and logo design. So I've reviewed hundreds of projects on Behance and I've selected the best ones, and I made sure we have different aesthetics. So starting with a luxury, high-end, premium kind of a look and feel, to more of a Western vibe with some earthy colors in illustrations, to more of a techy and sleek design, some geometric patterns, a lot of white space, pharma look and feel, to more of an artisanal and handcrafted look and feel. We have some engraved elements, eco-friendly packaging, and we also have a playful and approachable type of a design with some friendly colors and typefaces, and then everything in between. So let's start with a high-end and premium look and feel. As you can see, they have this packaging where they use some gold finishes and also bright colors that contrast well with those gold finishes. Very spaced out typography. This typeface evokes some luxurious, high-end, premium kind of a look and feel. So as you can see, there is some detail to that design and there is some texture to that, and it definitely looks premium and luxurious and like a high-end brand. Here is another example of a sophisticated look and feel. So as you can see, they also use some gold finishes, but they also mix it with a modern look and feel. Of course, they have some unique typeface, but also earthy colors, and it's at the same time clean and luxurious. And here we have some packaging that also looks clean but sophisticated at the same time. Now let's look at this Western old school kind of a vibe where they have this unique typography. So they place emphasis on the name, High Tide, and it's also clean and minimalist at the same time. So I think it's a great example of how you can mix aesthetics to create something unique. Now this is a typical Western design. We have some old school typography and some other old school elements, a lot of illustration. We have a script watermark. Here are some more mock-ups. So it gives you a psychedelic Western vibe with some old school vintage elements as well. Now this is a typical techy and sleek type of a design where they use this abstract symbol of a cannabis leaf. A lot of white space, it's very clean, it has kind of a pharma look and feel. So it's great for wellness and beauty brands. Here are some more mock-ups. As you can see, it's all clean and sleek and minimalist with a lot of white space, clean sans serif typeface, easy to read, no unnecessary elements, so very sleek and minimalist. Now this is yet another example of a modern design with some geometric patterns this time. So they use a vibrant color palette, and what's great about that, they have this unique typographic treatment in the wordmark, which makes it look original. So it's clean and minimalist, but also original at the same time. Now this is more of an artisanal look and feel. They use earthy colors, as you can see here. They also use some hand-drawn illustrations. And I really like how they mix those aesthetics, so it's modern but also with some legacy and heritage, and it gives off a modern but also artisanal and handcrafted vibes at the same time. And here we have yet another example of some eco-friendly packaging with some engraved elements. So it gives us vibes of history and legacy and heritage. They use also some silver finishes, so it's also a little bit luxurious at the same time. This is more of a whimsical and playful approach to graphic design. And we have some mascot right here. We have this quirky typeface and the way they use this typeface on the packaging. So it's great for young audiences. Here are some more applications. I think it's a great example of how to combine modern and clean aesthetics, but also with some friendly and approachable vibe as well. And here is another example of a playful design. They have this friendly typeface right here, and those hand-drawn illustrations, they're also animated, but at the same time they keep it clean and modern. Here are some of the mock-ups. I think it looks very unique, very original, with some friendly and approachable vibe, but they also keep it modern at the same time. And by the way, here is a logo I designed for Medijuana, which is a medicinal cannabis education company, and we went for more of a clean and sleek minimalist type of design. Here are some more applications, so it's all clean and minimalist. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you're looking for a logo designer, then you know where to find me. Just visit my portfolio, and I will see you in the next video.